reacts.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. And we are live. What's up, guys? GeorgeTheCloud here. My name is Jorge, aka George. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my bedroom, as you can see behind me. No big deal. And yeah, I hope you guys are feeling fantastic. And if you're not, you're about to be. Today, we have a very special video because this is a request from Michael Rowland 8343. Says, please look MB14 Showcase 2018. It is very amazing performance. In fact, it is. I have seen it before, but a long time ago, 5 years ago probably, when it came out. Nevertheless, we will watch it again, this time together as a family. Yeah. So get ready, guys. It's never too late to get into MB14 and start listening to his music. It is for all occasions, all types of weather and days. So get some popcorn, fill up your water. This is a little bit of a longer video, 16 minutes or so. So yeah, get some water, put your headphones on, and let's go. This is gonna be a journey. We begin.
trouble that's a habit, not a word. My alter ego ain't jumped, so you don't know me. Well, let me introduce you to my barrel. You can jump from the audience straight to the stage, or just move your hands up and let me handle what's next. If you can't recall the words, I'm gonna fill in the blank. Close your eyes if you're hot, you must be feeling the face. You gotta get over your boundaries, sweat through some calories. Vocally energetic, you can call me human battery. We're dangerous, destroying the microphone. You need our sound like alcohol. You can call me Al Capone. Writing down those pauses, I created an odyssey. A wide world, killing fires, mostly playing hide and seek, neglecting the complexity. My own Bohemian Rhapsody. My voice can take you any minute to an immediate custody. Custody. Merci. La cup, ça va toujours. 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 As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blessing it, been so long that even like kept thinks that my mind is gone. But I've never crossed a man who didn't deserve it. Me but treated like a punk, you know, that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking or when you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in shock. They've been spending most of their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living in a gangster's paradise. Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we heard are you and me? Yeah, what? As I walk, as I walk, as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Merci beaucoup.
Du bruit.
his way to get out of the world, to climb over the mountains and sing under the moon. This gentle breeze on my face, listening to the chants of the waves, the sound of the wind in the branches reconnects me to the ancients and angels. What is there beyond these stars? Why does the moon have all these scars? The sea reflects her holy shines. What secrets do you hold inside? What is there beyond these stars? Why does the moon have all these scars? The sea reflects her holy shines. What secrets do you hold inside? We are a grain of sun in an infinite universe. I'm curious to know where I'm headed. All the good souls that always go first. Through the rain, through the storm, I keep on wandering on this road. Through the rain, through the storm, I keep on wandering on this road. Through the rain, through the storm, I keep on wandering on this road. Through the rain, through the storm, I keep on wandering on this road. What is there beyond these stars? Why does the moon have all these stars? The sea reflects her holy shines. What secrets do you hold inside? What is there beyond these stars? Why does the moon have all these stars? The sea reflects her holy shines. What secrets do you hold inside? What is there beyond these stars? Why does the moon have all these stars? The sea reflects her holy shines. What secrets do you hold inside? Merci beaucoup. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there. We are sure Jah will be waiting there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police they abuse them authority. Media clowns we don't know barbarity. We gotta keep on walking on the road to Zion. We gotta keep it burning on the road to Zion. Jah will be waiting there, we are shout. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are shout. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police they abuse them authority. Media clowns wait on no barbarity. We gotta keep on walking on the road to Zion. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. We gotta keep it burning on the road to Zion. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Jah will be waiting there, we are sham. Jah will be waiting there. Out in the street, they call it murder. Out in the street, they call it murder. Welcome to Jamrock.
Merci beaucoup la Cup, j'espère que vous avez kiffé ce putain d'événement. Encore un gros big up à tout l'orga, toutes les beatboxers, toute l'équipe de l'Antipode, vraiment j'ai kiffé. Merci à toi frérot, merci à tous. Big up au host, bien sûr.
Voilà frérot, voilà frérot. Du bruit pour...
I mean, first things first, we subscribe, already subscribed. I have a link of the original video down in the description below. Guys, this is, what can I even say? This is greatness. This is what greatness looks like and hears. And hears? And listens? And sounds. And sounds like. Yeah, I mean, MB14, to me, this might be the best showcase ever. Because he's had several of these showcases. We see another one here. You have never heard MB14 like this. Live German Beatbox Championship 2019. But this one, I have heard those before. And I mean, I don't remember them enough to like compare. But I'm pretty sure this is the best showcase that he has done. And maybe best showcase period of anybody. I would have to think really hard. I have Dilo up there and Gene Shinosaki's showcase. Maybe Reaps one. But just the sound, guys, the voice, the talent, the rapping, the singing, the opera singing, the melodies, the originality, the creativity. He just takes you places. If you close your eyes and listen to those, they're each also different and very memorable, distinguishable. And I can picture myself in any of these tracks as if it were a movie. So I just close my eyes and I imagine different things. He just make like the one with the moon. What is it beyond these stars? Why does the moon have all these scars? And then at the end he howls like a wolf. So he puts you in the environment. There's a setting there. Just with everything, I even feel like the weather, the wind. So cool. And very I guess rare. It's hard to do this, so it's very difficult to top MB14 or get close to that level of talent. I mean, I'm not to compare it because they're all different, but how do you, there's only one MB14 as opposed to, you might think there's 14 MB14s, but there's only one. So yeah, this is incredible. One of my favorite showcases. Just gives me the feels, you know, the feels, a lot of emotion, and makes me, it's surreal. This showcase is surreal, which is one of my favorite genres. I'm an artist. If you guys don't, if anybody by a miracle is still watching this, comment down below that you're still watching, and I will give you a star. But yeah, I'm an illustrator, I'm a painter, and I like surrealism. So MB14 is one of those musicians I can relate to loop station wise, that puts me in a place that is very attractive to me, pleasing and inspiring. And that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed the reaction, go ahead, hit the like, subscribe, share, do a flip. Till the next.
Thanks for watching.